We will guide you through how to make transparent background in Camtasia. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that Camtasia is already installed on your device. Double-click Camtasia to open it. Once Camtasia is open, click New Project to create your project. On the left side, click the Media menu. Then, select the Media Bin option inside the menu. Next, click the Import Media button to add the video you want to use for this example. Select the video from your device. Then click the Open button to continue. After the video is imported, it will appear in the Media Bin, where you can access it for editing. Drag and drop the video from the Media Bin into the track section below on your editing timeline. Next, play the video to see its original appearance before making any changes. After checking the original video, move the timeline to the beginning of the video. Then, click the Visual Effects menu on the left side. Select the Visual Effects option again inside the menu. Next, find the Background Removal effect from the available options. Drag and drop background removal onto the video in the track section to apply the effect. After applying the effect, go to the right side of the interface and click the Properties button. In the Properties panel, click the drop-down menu for Quality to view the available quality settings. Select the Accurate option here to improve the background removal result. Next, adjust the feather setting to control the softness around the edges of the subject. For this example, set the feather value to 40 so the edges appear smoother. You can also adjust the opacity setting if necessary, but for this example, leave it at 0. Then, for this example, leave the blur value at 0 as well. Click the play button to preview the final result on the preview screen.